Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about how we can install Python in our computer. So let's start. So open any browser, type python.org, go to the download menu. Here I can see Python 3.12 is the latest version which we can install in Windows. We will download that. So once the Python file is downloaded, we will run it. We'll just double click on it. We'll get a dialog box which states install Python 3.12 64-bit. Here we can see two options, install now and customized installation. So install now option, if you select, you can see here it has given a path where your Python will be installed. So this is a user account space. Okay. We don't want to install the Python for a particular user. We want to install Python for all users in the computer. So we will click on this box, add python.exe to path, and we will click on customized installation. When we click on next, we'll see some of the options. All are default options. If for all users is not ticked, just tick on it and select it, and then press button next. Here also you can see several options. First option is install Python 3.12 for all users. You can check that box. If you want to download other binaries and libraries as well, you can tick all the boxes here. Download debugging symbols, download debug binaries. I'll select all, and now the new Python location is this. This is the location where your Python will be installed. Now you can click on install button. So once you click on install button, installation process for the Python will be started. Once the installation is completed, you will get the dialog box something like this. So it states that setup was successful. If you are new to Python, you can start online tutorial from this link and refer the documentation. So here one more option is given, disable path length limit. So what it states that changes your machine configuration to allow programs including Python to bypass the 260 character max path limitation. So it doesn't matter if we disable it or not. For the sake of, we'll just simply click on that and disable the path limit. Once that is done, your setup is successful, and now you can close the dialog box. So friends, like this you can install Python in your computer. Now how can we know that it has been installed correctly in our system? So we'll verify it. So to verify the Python installation, we need to open the terminal. Either we can open terminal or command prompt, anything is fine. So once we open the terminal, and then we'll write on the command prompt Python -v. So we are asking version of the Python. So here we can see Python 3.2 that is successfully installed, right? So here you can see it has given a prompt. Here we can write anything. Simple Python statements, Python functions we can use. So print is a Python function which we can use to print anything on the console output. Okay, we'll just write like this and we'll press enter. So here you can see this is successfully printed. So now we can be sure that Python has been installed in this particular machine. So to exit from this prompt, we can use exit function and then press enter. So it will come out of the prompt. So friends, this is how we can install Python in Windows. If you have found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.